Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to measure up for a vision blind. First, we'll measure the width of the blind. Measure the recess at the top, middle, and bottom. And note down the smallest measurement, accurate to the millimetre. Now we can measure the drop of the blind. Measure the recess height at the right, middle, and left sides. Again, note down the smallest measurement, accurate to the millimetre. If you have any tiles or beading on your recess that might interfere with the bottom bar, make sure to measure the obstruction and deduct the measurement from your recess width. That's how to measure for your vision blind. Click the annotation on screen now to see our current vision fabric collection. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.